Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today's video is gonna be a very important video for all the students because the discussion which we will do in this video today will help you to know exactly what are the factors on which you need to work if you want to get the good marks in the exam, even you want to be a topper in any exam. So this video can help you a lot if you are preparing for any exam and you want to do good in that exam. So this will be the discussion which will help each and every student, and even if you know someone who is going to prepare for any of the exams, so you can even share this video with them and help them in their preparation as well. So let's just start the discussion. Mainly we are going to talk about the 5 factors in this video which can help you to just get very good marks as well as good rank in the exam, which means you can even be a topper in the exam. So what are these factors? Let's just start with the very first one, and that is the most important point if you are preparing for any exam. That is, you have to take care of your preparation, which means what are the topics which will help you to do more number of questions in that exam. What are the topics which will help you to tackle most of the problems which you can expect and which have been asked in the previous years in that same exam. So that is your first thing you need to do. Okay, that is good preparation is required. But is it enough? If we are going to do the good preparation for any exam, is it enough to crack that exam or to be a topper in that exam? If you are saying yes, then you may be familiar with it that many students do the preparation for any exam, but all are not gonna be the topper. Just few students are there, those who get good marks, those who get good rank. Reason behind it. The all rest of the factors which we will cover up in this video today will help you to know about all these things. And another thing, if from now you will be focusing on all the rest of the factors too along with your preparation, you can be a topper, you can have a good rank, you can have very good marks in your exam. So the first factor on which everybody needs to work, like if they are preparing for any exam, is doing the good preparation. And to do that good preparation for any exam, what you can do, you can take the help of previous year questions of that same exam. Okay, so preparation is gonna be that first factor. In preparation part, we can include completing the topics, completing the subjects, not just completing them, but knowing that what you need to do and what are the topics you are gonna prepare, okay, from that particular subject. And it is even very important to know what type of questions have been asked in the previous years. Clear? So everything will come in that preparation part. And I think if you are preparing for any exam, you are surely gonna do that. Okay, so that thing everybody will be following. Clear? Now let's come to the second point. It is most important point, as well as you can consider it as the key to success for any exam. So this is going to be that key which can just be responsible along with the other factors. Okay, that is going to give you the good result and good rank. Okay, so what is that? If you're going to guess it, just write it in the comments right now. But if you're not getting it, I'm going to let you know. So that is going to be revision. Once we are going to complete the preparation for all the things we have planned, the topics we have planned, the subjects we have planned, we are going to prepare for the exam. So once the preparation part done, your second step will be that now you need to revise everything. And how many times? The maximum number of times you can do the revision, whether 20, 30, 50 or 15 or 10, whatever. Okay. So whatever is going to be the maximum number of times you can do the revision, which is possible for you, do the revision for those many number of times, and it will surely help you, okay, to be more confident in that exam, to solve the questions, even to recall the things well in that like time in the exam hall. So it's very important. The second most important factor when you are preparing for any exam is doing revision as many number of times as you can do the revision. Clear? After completing the topics, after doing the preparation, everything. Okay. After these 2 points, are there any other factors which can impact our result and which will have a great effect on our result? Yes, there are. So what are gonna be the rest of the factors? Let's cover up them. Okay guys, the third one is gonna be the selection of questions in the exam. In most of the exams, in many exams, when you are preparing for any exam, you need to know the pattern of the exam. Pattern means the sections, number of questions given to you, number of questions you need to solve, the extra questions which are gonna be there, how many extra questions will be there, you can leave them and you just need to do the particular number of questions in that section or this section or anything like that. So know the pattern, okay? That is related to the third point. And after that, in that exam time, like if you are gonna attempt the exam, because those 3 hours or whatever duration is gonna be there for your exam, it matters a lot that how you will be like working in that much time which you are having in your final exam. So some points will be related to that too, because you have to keep it in mind from now onwards, because if you will be working on those points, they will surely help you. So the third most important point is that selecting the questions, okay, in the exam is gonna affect your result. Reason? Because if you are firstly gonna select that question which is very much time taking, which is difficult for you, but you know the concept a little bit and you are getting to know there will be so much calculation involved, that means you have to devote much more time to solve that question. So that's not gonna be a good idea. Reason behind it, in that much time you can cover up 5 more questions, okay, which are going to be less time taking, which are direct, which are based on fact and the concepts. So you can directly solve those questions in that much time in which you will be doing the one question. And in that case, when you will have less time remaining for solving the questions in the exam, that situation just leads to getting more panic, okay, and just you are gonna try to do the things quickly in that situation, and that can lead to making mistake. So that's the another point. Selection of questions in the exam matters a lot. Even nowadays in the exams, we are going to have negative marking. If you will be selecting the right question, you need to do, you know it and you can do it. So with the right selection, you can even avoid the negative marking, and that's how you can even get the good marks in the exam. So third most important point is selection of questions. On which questions you need to spend time, you can spend time and you can get the answer knowing it. And how you will get to know about it? With more practice, by solving more and more questions, it will become easy for you. So our third most important point here will be selection of questions matter a lot in the exam, and for that you have to start working on it right now, okay, in that time when you are doing the preparation. Clear? So that's important. Clear? So this was the third most important point. Now let's talk about the remaining ones. 2 more like I will cover up here, and that's gonna be very much helpful for everyone, okay? So if you will start working on these points right now, they will help you a lot and very much. Clear? Okay. So let's talk about the fourth one, guys. What is that fourth point you need to know and you need to focus on, clear, when you are preparing for any exam? So that fourth point is that you should have confidence in you. Clear? Sometimes even after having good preparation, even after devoting enough time for doing that preparation for the exam, even after like doing everything which is required, whether the preparation, revision and everything, still some of the students are gonna have doubt on themselves, like whether they will be able to do good in the exam or not. So you should have confidence. It matters a lot, and that confidence is the another factor which will help you to know or to just have a good result in the exam. Because if you are sitting in that exam hall and you are just gonna have doubt in yourself, you are in that situation that you just keep on thinking, will I be able to do it or not? Okay, so instead of thinking that, right now it's the time where you need to just apply the knowledge you have gained till now, where you have to work on the questions. So if you will have confidence, it can even give you the good marks and the good results in the exam. Clear? So that's another very important thing you should have and you should carry. And how it will develop? With all these things, okay, it will develop. So try to have a routine, try to follow these things on the regular basis, try to work on them regularly, so that if you will have these things, there is no point of doubt or confusion or having less confidence. No, you should have confidence in you and you will be able to get it, and you will score good marks if you have prepared for that exam by doing everything which is required. Clear? Okay, let's talk about the fifth most important point, and that's it. We will be completing our discussion here with the fifth point. So what is that? So guys, basically, if you are preparing for any such exam where there is going to be too much calculation involved in the questions, for example, if there will be physics or there will be maths or even the different other subjects, sometimes we are going to have many numericals, and to solve those numericals we need to have a good command on calculation. We should know how to do differentiation, how to do integration, how to take the next step, so that we will be able to do the calculation quickly and easily, and what actually we need to do in that situation when there is going to be calculation involved in our question. So that is another very important factor, because during the classes and when we interact with the students, I have got to know this, and I have just observed it many number of times, that many times students know the concept but they are not having good command on the calculation part, and it is not good, because you should have that, okay, and you need it. Even just knowing the concept is not enough. After knowing the concept, after relating it at the right place in the right question, you also need to work on the calculation part, and if you will be able to do it, you will reach to the final answer, and that will give you the marks for that question. If you will get the final answer and you are going to just mark it, okay, it's very important. So what is that fifth point? That is knowing and having a good command on calculation. Okay, so I hope you all are getting it. But along with all these things, one extra tip I will give you here. Okay, so that is the last and the common point for all these things. When you are doing the preparation, when you are just doing the revision, when you are attempting the questions in the exam, when you are doing the selection of questions in the exam, when you are gonna just consider the calculation part you are doing, okay, and confidence you will have if you are gonna have all these done. So in that case, you need to do focus. Focus is another very important thing you need to have even while doing the preparation, because if you will be focused, in that case you will gain more in less time. So it will help you in your overall preparation. And guys, if you are going to develop everything which we have discussed here, every factor you are going to involve in your preparation journey, you are going to work on these things, they will surely help you to be successful and to be the topper of that exam, okay, for which you are doing the preparation. So I hope it's gonna be helpful for all of you guys, and it will help you a lot in your preparation for any exam, okay, and work on these points. They will surely be helpful. Done. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. If you know someone who is even gonna do the preparation for their exam, for any exam, share this video with them. It will help them a lot. Sometimes we know the things, but we are not gonna consider them, we are not gonna work on them, and that's something which is not good. So even these are the small things, these are the things maybe everybody knows, but still it's very important to consider them and to work on them. Clear? So I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you now. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Now at the end, I'm just going to share some important things with all of you, and we will be ending this video then. So guys, if you are the one who is going to prepare for the CSIR net physics exam or even for any of the exams, okay, on Unacademy Plus, we are gonna have the courses for many different exams. So if you are the one who is gonna prepare for any exam and you want to get the guidance by the top educators, so in that case, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription too. And whenever you will be proceeding to take the subscription, you can take it for your particular exam. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, if you will use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen, by using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So you need to write it as it is, no space in between, spelling should be same. If you want, you can write everything in capital letters, and that's how, just by applying the referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Another important thing here is, if you are particularly gonna prepare for the CSIR NET exam, in that case, you can even take the Unacademy Plus subscription, even for any exam. Okay, so for your particular exam, you will be taking that subscription, and whenever you will take the subscription, use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, and apply it, and you will be getting the 10% discount at the same time. Another thing, every week the new batches and the new courses right now are gonna start on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR NET exam preparation, and many courses are gonna start there. So guys, in that case, if you think you need the guidance, you need to work on the concepts, you need to know the tricks, you need to work on the PYQs and the important questions for your upcoming exam, then this is going to be the good time for you to take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And by taking the subscription, you can take your preparation to a very good level. So guys, if you want to attend the well-structured and well-planned courses by the top educators, you can take your Unacademy Plus subscription today. And to take the subscription, you can download the Unacademy Learning app, or you can directly search Unacademy Plus on Google. And for your exam, you can select that goal. Okay, if you want to select it for CSIR NET exam, so select CSIR UGC NET, and then you can proceed further to take the subscription. When you will be proceeding further, you will see that the subscription is available for different durations, and depending on the duration, there will be the amount mentioned corresponding to that. And that's how, by selecting a particular duration, you will just get the like all the details about it, and even you will get the place to write the referral code. So where you can write it, apply it, and at the same time, you will see that 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. And that's something which you will be getting. Okay, and another thing is, you will even be able to start your preparation with the important courses by the top educators, so which will help you to take your preparation to a very good level. I hope everything will be clear to all of you guys. And in case if you will have any doubts on anything you want to tell me regarding these 5 factors or the discussion which we have done, so in that case, you can even comment that, and I will just try to include it in upcoming videos. I will just try to answer your questions too. So even if you're going to have any questions, you can mention them in the comment section as well. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you. And if you're new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then you can even subscribe it by clicking on the subscribe written below this video. Okay. And yeah, don't forget to share it with other students too. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.